This is an egg. You can feed yourself very simply by boiling it in some water. It's one of the easiest and pretty nutritious meals you can probably make for yourself. Cut a piece of baguette, boil the egg, hard boiled with a little soft inside, mash it, salt and pepper. You've got a sandwich. You don't have to go out to eat. You can actually feed yourself like a man. We're going to go through the steps. You boil some water in a pan. Once it comes to a boil, depending on how hungry you are or how many people you're trying to feed, boil some eggs. You add the egg with a spoon very gently into boiling water, 5 to 6 minutes. Once you're done, take the boiling water off the stove, gently empty the hot water in the sink, and pour cold water on top of it so it cools the egg down. Once the egg has cooled off enough for you to be able to pick it up and touch it, hit it against the counter, crack the skin, shell comes off, and you have a boiled egg that you can eat. Let's see how that happens. Okay, the water is boiling. I'm going to put this in a spoon and gently lower it into the water. Now we're going to just wait 5 minutes and then come back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes. I've turned off the water and I'm going to dump the hot water in the sink and put cold water on top of it, like this. Now we're going to let this sit and cool off until we can touch it. Then I'll show you how you peel the shell. Okay, it cooled off enough for me to be able to pick it up. Now it's time to shell it. How do you shell it? Basically, you need to crack this shell, peel it off. That's how you do this. Okay? And it just basically comes right off. Sometimes it doesn't come off as easily, but if you follow those instructions I just gave you, you shouldn't have any problem getting all the shells off the egg. Like this. Now what do you do with this? Well, what you can do is you can cut it up with a knife and put it on top of a bread and eat it. Here's how you do that. I have a baguette here. You can put any other kind of bread that you want. I'm going to cut this much off. Make a sandwich with my egg. How? Cut it into pieces. Perfect boiled egg. Okay? So now all I have to do is just arrange these so that every bite gets a little bit of eggs. Put a little salt and pepper on it, and you're good to go. What else can I do with this? I can make egg salads with it. Chop up a little bit of, whatever you have, whatever vegetable you have, maybe a pickle, maybe some onions. Add a spoonful of mayonnaise, mix it all up. Once it becomes sort of homogeneous, cut a piece of bread, put the egg salad on top, and you're good to go. Don't forget to put salt and pepper on it. All the eggs that you eat require salt. Pepper is optional.